We call this the frog of the bow, the heaviest part of the bow. You want to make sure that the fingers are all curved. Your hand is always curved, and then your fingers are pretty flexible in them, right? You don't ever do like a fist. It's very hard at first, but this would be your bow hold. The movement comes from the elbow and the wrist. You wouldn't ever bow like if you're sawing.
With your shoulder.
No. You would bow from the elbow to the wrist.
Okay.
So you keep the arm in place, and then you just move with the wrist. And always aim to have straight bows. Let's say you're gonna play on an open A. It just goes straight down. My arm didn't go like this, so what happens is the bow moved if I use my entire arm. So always straight bows, and the movement again comes from the elbow and the wrist.